Yes, PG students, let's start from the chemical reactions, mean role of the water in during the chemical reactions. First of all, we have started from the previous topic that water is required, highly essential for the process of photosynthesis. Then I have told you in the second topic, the water plays a very important role to support the cell or to support the plant body because it gives turgidity to the plant body. And now we are going to tell you the plant water also very important for the chemical reactions because water is a solvent, best solvent for the prepared food of the plant as well as for the mineral source. That's why, and in order to complete the different chemical reactions, the water acts as a very best solvent. Now the second point is the cooling. I have told you water continuously evaporates from the leaves of the plant with the help of the stomata towards the surrounding, and this causes a cooling effect, and it is responsible to make your environment cool. And it means this cooling effect is in the surrounding is due to the evaporation of the water, and this process is called transpiration. So we are discussing the role or the function of the water in the plant body. Then on the second page, I have told you in start. I have told you how the water and the mineral source are transported. You know very well there are large trees and they are 100 meter long. Then how the prepared food comes from the leaves to the all parts of the body, and how the water goes from roots to all parts of the body only because of the water, because water have the dissolved prepared food and it transports to all parts of the body with the help of the phloem, and all the mineral salts have dissolved in the roots of the plants and they then transport to all parts of the body with the help of the xylem, because it has dissolved in the water. So this solution will help to transport the prepared food towards the parts of the plants and transfer of the mineral source, because this is the basic requirement of the plant body. Prepared food, that is a glucose which only prepares in the mostly in the leaves, that it must be transferred to all parts of the body. Only water is responsible to transport this dissolved food to all parts of the body, and the minerals, which is also very essential for the growth and development of the plant. These minerals also transfer, they dissolve in the water and then transfer with the help of the xylem to all parts of the body. So this was about the role of the water in the plant body. So we have discussed four topics: role of the water during photosynthesis, during the sport, how do water give sport to plant body, and then we have discussed as a role of the water as a solvent, as a cooling agent, and what is the role of the water during the transport of the materials, mean prepared food and the mineral salts. Hope so now this topic is clear to you.